folks, it's Nesta here in Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you my Expression Fiber Arts order from October. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I was busy, not feeling well, still not feeling well, and on vacation and all that. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to my returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for watching and being here. And if you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's by clicking the join button, or you can also join and become a member. And I wanted to say hi and welcome to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. So this was the first time I had ordered from Expression Fiber Arts, which is very beautiful yarn, just really pretty. And they had a sale going on where I think it was every $30 of the order you got a free hank of yarn, but it was a mystery. So I think from what I recall, what I did was I ordered many of the oopsies, which are, I guess, it's like the dye wasn't exactly like they planned, so it's a little discounted. So I'll just start going through them. I don't remember exactly which, like which were gifted and which I bought, but I'll try my best. Yeah, I remember ordering that one. So this one, it's really pretty, like a more solidy gray. It's an oopsie. It's freshwater pearl, buttery sport, 100%, superwash merino wool, 274 meters or 300 yards, and they recommend a needle US 3.5 or hook DF size, hand wash or machine wash, lay flat to dry. So I think that's the color, was the freshwater pearl. And yep, I ordered a few of those. So there was at least 2 of those for a project. And I was really like in a gray mood too, so I like gray. Oh, I'll get that for you, buddy. Oh, my boy's trying to play with the ball right as I'm recording. Of course. Of course he is. I went ahead and I got this one. Beautiful. It's like grays mixed in with white and black and some specks in there. This one is Besset Cash Silk Sock, 75% superwash wool, 15% cashmere, 10% silk, 375 meters or 410 yards. Needle recommended is a US 02 hook BE, hand wash only, lay flat to dry. So that was that. And that I ordered 2 of those. There's another one. Okay, good. This is gonna go faster than I thought. I ordered this ghoulish, which is really pretty. I tried to get the oopsie of it. It's also like a mix of, sorry that the glare of the light. It's a really pretty mix of grays, but it is thin. Maybe some purple, dark purple and browns mixed in there, in here. Very pretty. It's called Ghoulish is the colorway. It's a resilient sock yarn, 100% superwash merino wool, 366 meters or 400 yards. Hand or machine wash, lay flat to dry. Needle is US 0 to 2 or hooks B through E. Oh, I also bought this one, this oopsie, which is the Spark Buttery Worsted, which is really pretty. I don't know, like burgundy, like tonal. It's buttery worsted, 100% superwash merino wool, 205 meters or 224 yards, needles 3 through 5 or hook D through F, hand or machine wash, lay flat to dry. And all of these are like super soft. Very, very soft. Then I think these were the ones that I got as the mystery ones, which are so pretty. I love this one. I tried to go back and buy more, but I didn't see any more of this one. It's sparkly and beautiful, like greens and whites, and sorry, the hair of mine there, blues and teal. This one is called Poison Hemlock. Is the colorway is Cosmic Confetti Fingering. It's 92% merino wool, 8% polyester. It's 400 meters or 437 yards, and it is pretty thin. I think that's 2 strands there. Sorry, there. That's 1 strand, and it's I think I said 92% merino wool, 8% polyester, 400 meters or 437 yards. Needle is US 0 to 7 or hook B through G. Hand wash only, lay flat to dry. Oops, that's upside down. Sorry if the other labels were upside down when I showed you. Then this one was sent to me. It's beautiful purples, like tonal, like different shades. This is Belladonna Kiss, resilient sock yarn, 100% superwash merino wool, 366 meters or 400 yards, needles 0 through 2, hook B through E. Hand or machine wash, lay flat to dry. Then next is this very pretty, it's called Black Dahlia. It's a sport weight yarn, Mirage Sport. I would agree with that. It's pretty thin. It's 70% superwash merino wool, 10% baby camel, 10% cashmere, 10% mulberry silk, 320 meters or 350 yards, needles US 3 through 5 or hook D through F. Hand wash only, lay flat to dry. I read that. This one's super pretty. Beautiful. This one is called Thornblood Crema Sock. 70% superwash merino wool, 30% mulberry silk, and it's a little stretchy. 320 meters or 350 yards. Needles 0 through 7 and hook is B through G. Hand wash only, lay flat to dry. But just really beautiful colors in there. And then last but not least, Wolfsbane Veil. And I tried to order some more of this too, and this was one of the mystery ones that they had sent to me. And if you see, it has like greens and purples and browns, just really, really pretty and really soft. This is buttery worsted, 100% superwash merino wool, 205 meters or 224 yards. Needle US 6 to 10 or hook G through J. Lay flat to dry, hand or machine wash. So that's everything I wanted to show you guys. I hope you have a great night or day, and take care. Bye.